Open the box. What a great looking tool bag. Welcome to Howdy. Let's do a super quick review of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless 16 gauge finish nailer kit. There is a 2 amp hour red lithium battery. The charger does M12 and M18 batteries. There is a release lever to make nail loading easier. Bumpers on each side since we are often working against other surfaces. The depth adjustment direction is molded into the housing. There are power and mode selection switches. There is a belt hook. Slip the battery in, then hold the power button until the tool turns on. The default mode is sequential. You can change it to contact. Hold the power button to turn the tool off. Nails load from the back of the magazine. Just slide 16 gauge 20-degree angled nails in the back. Points down, parallel to the head. Slide the pusher back, then release. Let's go nail some baseboard in sequential mode. Push, squeeze, pop, and move on. Sure beats hammering your fingers. Switch to contact mode. Hold the trigger, push and pop. Move on. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please click the thumbs up. It really helps us help others. Subscribe to see what else we may be doing.